In this video, we are going to see and fix this DNS error which says your computer appears to be correctly configured, but the device or resources DNS server is not responding, and it's a network adapter error. After the troubleshoot has completed, it might show you this error that it has identified. So let's see a quick solution on how you can resolve this. So first of all, what you need to do is first you need to check if you're connected to the internet properly, and if yes, if you're connected to the right router, and if yes to that as well, then try to access any website like YouTube, Google, or any other website. If it shows you that problem, so maybe your subscription of internet is expired, or maybe there is a problem at the back end. So this sounds very simple, but this might be the solution sometimes. But if everything is working perfectly fine and you are able to access all the other sites as well on any other router, let's say you tried to connect with some other router or switch and then it works fine, here's how you can solve that on the current router. First of all, just hold the Windows key and press R, and here we will write ncpa.cpl, hit enter. And whatever router you're basically using, you just double click on that. And from here we hit disable and just wait for some time. Then you right click and click enable, and that should do the job. If your internet connection is bad, that is best. But otherwise, let's move to the solution 2. So the solution 2 is pretty straightforward. We just press Windows plus R on the keyboard and write here CMD, or just right here directly CMD in the start menu and run as administrator. Click yes. Let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly. And I'll just paste a combined command here that you can get with the description of this video. So you just hit enter and it will perform multiple functions. Just wait for that to complete. And like I said, it will take some time. So once it has completed everything, you just close out of here and you restart your computer once to make that effective, and then the error or problem should be gone immediately, and that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.